Hello, my name is Stephanie Hernandez and I'm a real estate agent here in the sunny state of Arizona. Today I want to tour you around the beautiful community of Sereno Canyon. It's located in North Scottsdale and the builder is Toll Brothers. If you have any questions at all of this community or real estate in general, please contact me directly, or you can comment in the comment section. Okay, let's get started with our tour. In the front yard, you have a generous sized courtyard and you have a beautiful walk up to the front door. Stepping into the home, you are greeted by a welcoming, open concept floor plan. The gourmet kitchen is complete with a large center island with a breakfast bar. There's plenty of counter and cabinet space for all of your storage needs. And additional, there is a walk-in pantry just adjacent to the kitchen. Down the hall is the perfect private office with plenty of natural light, and look at this wonderful view out to your side yard space. There is a convenient powder room just across the office as well. The secondary bedroom features a walk-in closet, a private full bath, and it does have a separate vanity area. The third bedroom is roughly the same size, including a private full bath and a walk-in closet. Notice this bedroom is in the front of the home and has an optional entry access. The split floor plan allows for a secluded primary bedroom suite at the end of the home. The suite has access to both the side yard and the backyard. And let's not forget the ensuite bathroom, featuring a deluxe primary bath with dual sink vanity, a large soaking tub, a luxe shower with a seat, and there's also a private water closet, and next to that is your spacious walk-in closet. I know this home is super impressive, so should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I am a new construction home specialist, meaning I have helped many people purchase and go through the process of a new build. And the last thing you want to do when you're going into a new build transaction is go into it without having proper representation with a real estate agent. And you want that real estate agent to only represent you and not the builder. So call me today and we can discuss the new build process and how that all works out and how we can get the home that you really want. Okay, let's continue with the tour. As we just toured the primary suite, this is going to be right off the massive living room space. Imagine sitting in this space and opening all the doors during those cooler months for a nice breeze. The kitchen and living room are at the heart of the home and completely open to the side yard and backyard. If you love a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, this home is going to be your best friend. And though the outdoor landscaping is not included with a new construction home, the designed plan will paint a picture of all the possibilities you can do to entertain by your pool or have a grassy area for your pets. On good weather days, you can host dinner parties or cocktail hours, as there is plenty of space to roam between outdoors and indoors. Okay, so that sums up our home tour, but I do want to talk about two things, which is pricing and the overall community of where this is located. Let's dive into the numbers first. The home space price for this floor plan column is $1,515,995. The base price is the price at what the home starts at. And as you customize and pick your architectural and interior finishes, the purchase price will most likely increase from that base price. and I can help you more with the pricing once you're ready to move forward. As for the community, the monthly HOA that you will be paying includes a clubhouse called the Mountain House Lodge. Some of the amenities included are a fitness center, a spa, a pool, outdoor gathering areas with lawn spaces. There's also a cafe and then a community fire pit. This community is luxury living in North Scottsdale with stunning views of the desert and mountains. Nearby, you have world-class golf courses, hiking trails, and all the essential grocery stores. From this community, Sereno Canyon, to the Loop 101 freeway, you are about 20 minutes away. I love new construction. It is such a wonderful option for many buyers. And should you be interested in Sereno Canyon or any other new build community, please reach out to me and my team. We would be more than happy to assist. My name is Stephanie Hernandez. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.